my brother and their entire family, they got COVID in April of this year, and the entire family was down with corona. And the symptoms were, they were very, they had high fever, and there was some, supposedly there was some chest infection also as per the CT scans. And so then I contacted Nishant and God's Own Store, and they gave me oils Sudarshan, Elixir, and Vif MB for the chest. So I gave these oils to my brother's family, and they started applying. And although the case was very bad, actually all of them were really very sick, but they started showing marked improvements after application of these oils. And there was one more, major benefit, which my, brother calls it a miracle. So he always had this problem in speaking, because there was some acne in his throat on the inside, and due to which he actually could not speak for 3-4 months in a year. And rest of the time also, during the balance 8-9 months, he had always had problems in speaking, and he used to speak very less. So after application of these oils on his throat, so his voice came back, and he was so happy that, without voice, he felt that his, life is got no meaning. And he said a new meaning, and I've got a new life, and a meaning has come back to my life. So that was a, miracle which happened by using the oils given by Nishant and God's Own Store. So, and we as a family are very happy that, not only that corona was treated, but my brother's voice also came back, and he is now able to speak very clearly, and there is no problem in his speaking. So apart from that, he was always very choosy on his eating, because anything could aggravate his throat problem and speaking problem. So anything could aggravate this throat infection which he had. So he never used to have any tangy things like golgappa or chaat, or any or even he used to avoid, cold things. So after his throat got well by using these oils on the external application of these oils, so he is now able to eat everything. In fact, he relishes, because he is not eaten golgappas and chaats since a long time. So he relishes now, and he every week he goes out and has that. So that is, so he's kind of able to enjoy his life the way it should be, actually enjoying his life to the fullest, I would say.